You're allowed to be out here?
Yeah. How's it going?
It's going.
Is that thing even on?
No.
What a stupid son of a bitch.
Hop in the car and can hold it at like 1,500 RPMs or 2 grand. So
Yeah, I can see that.
Start Don't blow it up, you fucking retard! God.
Oh, that didn't sound very good. I gotta ask my dad real quick. Austin doesn't let me beat on his car. Hey! Hey, Dad! Can I race this guy? Buddy's gonna get smacked. Hey, Dad, watch out!
And I've decided that I want to die.
That's bullshit. I was not ready. That was way too fast. Don't tell him. I forgot to check if the fan was on. It could be really hot. Oh, it's on. Austin, your car smells like shit. Crack it open. I'm gonna not put that on. And then we're just gonna... It already smells so much better in here. This saw it's on the trailer. We're gonna take out the Spore. What do you think, Wyatt?
This is awesome. I love the hood support.
Yeah.
Custom. That works really good. Oh, what happened to the roof? Some fat ass jumped on it. Let's close that hood. Oh, it doesn't even close. You gotta get rid of the... That was pretty good. Golly! Oh shit. God damn bitch, you get me in the head.
You gonna go up the hill cone?
We're gonna hit that bitch 5th pin, dude.
Yeah?
Oh, we don't got reverse. I got
Oh man.
get us stuck somewhere.
Better just roll back every time. Oh shit.
Like it's nothing, dude. Oh, shit. Did we get some air? Oh, god damn. Dude, give me the move. Dude, that shit was pretty hard. Holy fuck, I should have came out of that thing like this. Just climb through the window like a normal fucking human being.
It's fucking seized and it won't start.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, Jordan, how'd that happen? I have no idea. The glass in your ass hurts.
Hey, remember, beat his brake.
Ooh.
Nice. Yeah.
Driving down the street, clothes on fleek. Just around the corner where my homeboys meet. Just wanna play, bitch be on the way. Can't be out on the streets where my homeboys meet. Working my Volkswagen, no fucks to give. Don't give a fuck, you pull up at my crib. Best of a 40 if you wanna live. Cause you ain't leaving here with what's on my hip. Shots light up the night. It be all lost.
Need a ride?
Killing motherfuckers, left and right. Live by the clock, till your homie shot. Fate is for opponent, we gotta kill it. I'm a Volkswagen, no fucks to give. Don't give a fuck, you pull up at my crib. Best of a 40, if you wanna live. Cause you ain't leaving here with what's on my hip.
It's not coming open. It's not coming open. It's totaled.
That was easy.
There's not even a dent on it.
Oh, my window.
It's good. Roll it up.
Oh, that's shattered.
Here. It's almost there.
911 emergency.
I've got a runaway vehicle traveling in circles in the west parking lot of the Mirage.
We're just getting calls. That's good. You're allowed to be out here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Might have heard somebody's name.
Yeah, Lucas is right there.
Alright, we'll just talk to him.
Hey, man. What the hell? It's a good car.
Hello, I'm Dr. Abdullah Abdurrahman. This right here is cancer.
I'm gonna leave a bad review on this stuff. My engine just blew up. Stops oil leaks. I had a 4-inch hole in my oil pan. It was supposed to stop the leak. It didn't fucking stop the leak. I'm gonna sue Lucas. Well, that's what happens, I guess, when you take a sawed off road.
What about my car?
Yeah, you're fucked. I don't know what to say. Oh, no way.
God damn! Holy shit! You wanna fight? Daddy?
You calling for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.